wala masyadong lokohan sa gitara. At this point, sadly, it's more about branding. Because all the suppliers it's centralized. So dahil doon, parang, kung brand rin lang naman, why not support local people who are doing it? Aware naman kami sa mga ginagawa ng D&D, pero hindi namin alam kung gaano ka-involved yung process. Tapos, sabi ko, game ako, pero kailangan from the ground up, kasali ako sa process. Perfect timing rin kasi I was getting into, like, hindi lang ako, pero globally, it's like a lot of boutique brands, I guess, boutique guitar makers were making their mark or starting or getting recognized. So parang meron akong vision tuloy for D&D na at least at the time for my own guitar. So for the people who don't know, the master guitar is made in Cubao, hand in hand with John of LEG Guitars. So at that point, medyo a decade or so na siya into it. Pretty much kung ano yung hingin ko, gets niya na, tapos i-execute na lang. Meron ng mga very particular things like shape, how it should fit on the body, how electronics work. Kasi ang guitar, ano naman yan eh. Isipin mo, the first guitar was what? 40s? Maybe? And largely, unchanged tech. Ano na tayo? 2024, di ba? Largely, it's piece of wood, steel strings, magnets picking up the vibrations of the strings. Tapos, ang saya lang kasi ang daming pwedeng gawin talaga. So eventually, so nagawa namin T-Rex, tapos sold out tayo first day, Darren. Yeah. So we launched it in an art gallery. A few months or a year later, sabi ko, Darren, alam mo, gawin natin to sa lahat. Kung paano yung care and design language na sinart natin dito. So I started working with D&D as a creative director and consultant. And then we started doing all the other guitars. Some were mid-construction, some were blank canvases. Wala masyadong lokohan sa gitara. Especially kung napunta ang guitar store, tapos kita mo the price are getting elevated. But at this point, sadly, it's more about branding. Because all the suppliers it's centralized. So dahil doon, parang, kung brand rin lang naman, why not support local people who are doing it, who understand it to a T. Kasi yung fabrication, yung construction, yung mass production of it is largely the same for any brand you're probably seeing right now. Super fun kasi yun, katrabaho ko Keso, katrabaho ko Kazi a bit, Typecast a lot, Buddy. Ang ganda yung kwento nung bass ni Buddy kasi parang nagawa na yun eh. Tapos, hindi niya nagustuhan, so gumawa ng part 2. So yun, party ng D&D. Hindi mo gusto, ayusin natin. Parang mahabang process talaga eh, di ba? When you approach it, it doesn't need to be about the drudgery of work. Artist ka rin, parang part of the work is making sure it's nice.